been way too long, and I want to get caught up on Victims' Rights Foundation and what you're doing all around the world.
Well, thank you, Don. We first would say that we're celebrating 16 years in Montgomery County this year, and we're so happy to say that because of the, I guess, expansion, we're not only known here, but we're known in a few countries around the world.
Right.
But today,
before let's go there. You know, the snipers.
Yes.
It was nearly 10 years ago,
Yes.
8 years ago now. That's really where your world just got so expanded, didn't it?
We were just very locally, domestic violence and so forth.
Right.
But when the sniper shootings happened, and we had 10 Montgomery County residents to be killed, we were able to raise, with the public's help, $500,000 in about 2 months.
Right.
And all the money went to the victims, and from there, people from all over the country and then all over the world started calling us to say, can you do something similar to help our victims? So it really started doing those sniper shootings, unfortunately.
Are you doing any other projects in other countries? I know you're focused on Africa.
Thank you. Because Montgomery County is a melting pot, and I have to give Montgomery College credit for this, because I serve on their foundation board, and we met a person from Ecuador about 4 years ago, and they explained to us that policemen who are injured on the job, they're just retired, no benefits, whatsoever. So what we've been doing for the last 3 years is providing wheelchairs to those injured policemen, and now we're getting them counseling, and we're working very closely with the government of Ecuador. So that is another area that we're in. I'm glad you asked that question.